Does Google's latest algorithm update affect my website? So earlier this year, it's December 2020, in about the summer of 2020, Google have been rolling out a new update which is going to change how they rank sites. They've been a bit kinder to developers rather than just launch the update and everyone's scrabbling around trying to figure out how to make the best of it. They've actually given us developers time to make the changes, so they've given us tools so we can check the website so that by the time it becomes a ranking factor in May 2021 that we've had time to adapt and make the changes. And this video I'm going to show you the tools that you can use to check your website really easily to see if you even need to make any changes. I'm V Tanner. I'm an online business manager for speakers and visionaries, and I work on their websites and digital marketing so that they can attract and convert more visitors to paying clients through the power of their online presence. Website speed is not a new thing. The website page loading speeds need to be very quick because we as users haven't got time to wait for a page load speed, and Google recognises this and it's one of the ranking factors. However, they are introducing more ranking factors and that's to do with the user experience. So how nice is the website to use? And they're actually going to start downgrading websites that have pop-up ads and all sorts of horrible things that make the user experience horrible. And they've now figured out a way of how to measure that. And I'm going to show you how you can check your own website using these tools. So first of all, you need to install an extension. There's two extensions that are useful. So if you go in Google Chrome, go and type in extensions, or in fact it's Google Chrome extensions, and we go to this one here, chrome.google.com, Google Chrome Web Store. Type in here Web Vitals, and these are the two extensions that you need to install. So Web Vitals and Core Web Vitals. They will sit on your toolbar up here, and I have already installed them, which is why it says added on the end. But you just click on it and it'll ask you to confirm that you want to install it, and boom, it's done. The Web Vitals is this block here. It just looks like a grey block, and when you hover over it, it says Web Vitals. And then Core Web Vitals is this one here, which looks like a little arrow. It's this symbol here, just much smaller, and when you hover over it, it says Core Web Vitals. Now, how do you use it? So I'm going to demonstrate on my website. So we've got vsmith.com. If we type that in the address bar, then and call up the website, then you click on this button here, the Web Vitals, and it will ask you to reload the extension. So you do that, and it will give you this color coding. So it's got a red box, which is not good. So if we click on it, it will actually tell you what the problem is. So it identifies there's three measures. So it's doing cumulative layout shift, first input delay, and largest contentful paint. Now this on its own is not very helpful because I don't know what to do with this information. So that's why you need this other extension. So if we click on this, it actually highlights the areas that it considers that are taking too long to load. So if we look down here, got CLS score 0.0066, which is good, it's green, and then LCP, which is largest contentful paint, it's 2.96 seconds, which is too much, and it's highlighting the two. So these are areas that I need to look at to improve. Now, as a demonstration, I'm going to also show you another site. This is this site here was built in WordPress, and so I've just followed it's a template, so there's going to be some stuff that I need to do in there. Then the other site I'm going to demonstrate is vtanner.com, which was built in Constant Contact. So let's see whether they pass the test. So I'm going to click on this grey button here and reload, and woohoo, look at that, I've got a green button. So it passes my constant contact site passes all of these tests, which is great. So I don't need to do anything more on here, which is kind of like a big thumbs up to these website builder tools like Constant Contact, because it's taken care of the Google's latest algorithm changes, its measures. So I hope that's helpful. Do go to the Chrome Web Store, install those extensions into your bar and have a look at your website, see if it needs any work doing, and let me know how you get on. Thank you. Bye.